officially believing that cowboys and cowgirls should play the ukulele. In this tutorial, we're going to work on D7. This is a way to perfect your D7, where I'll quickly go over the G to D7 and C to D7. I've got timestamps down below if you want to skip over that. I'm going to show you my strumming suggestions. I've got a strumming suggestion and a variation on that. Again, to help perfect that D7, I've got a short little history nerd, because that's kind of my thing, and a play along. So let's get ready and do this. D7 is an essential ukulele chord. Yes, I realize that doing a barred chord is hard. I do have a teaching video with that, including Teach Your Children Well, the song that goes along with that. I've got links up here, that's why I'm pointing. And so if you need to catch that, great. Come on back when you're ready. A few little tips and tricks. You can use the physics. You can apply a little pressure to your ukulele with your forearm to press that neck into your hand rather than just your hand pressing into your neck. So just a little bit of pressure. The other thing is you can double up your fingers. You can place your middle finger over on top of your index finger just to give a little extra leverage, and then use your ring finger to do the 3rd fret on the A string, which is a C, which makes it a 7 chord in this case. Another little trick is what you do with your wrist. Generally, we talk about having, really nice open look to what's happening here, but you can pull your wrist back. It's subtle, from here to here, here to here. I'll show you what it looks like from this view, here to here, here to here. Just a little shift, and it helps bring pressure on the E and A strings. So experiment around with that. In this song, we go from a G to a D7. You can either do it this way, where you slide this down and then bar it, or you can go from your G and place your ring finger here on the 3rd fret and then use 2 fingers to do it, either way. And then you also have to go from a C. So the easiest way is you've got your C, and boy, you need that for your D7, and then just lever down with 1 or 2 fingers, either way. And when you're coming from a C, for me, it's just always easier to use both fingers. Practice those nice and deliberately. Deliberate is a fancy word for slow, but it means that you're consciously listening, working it. Do those back and forth, because they're the only 3 songs you need to do this piece. I'm going to do an island strum with the play along, and I'm also going to make variations in that at times. Sometimes I'm going to pick my G string, pick down, up, down, up, up, down. Sometimes I might even pick my C string. Sometimes I might trade. So if that's something that feels like it's a love for you, play around with it, have fun. I do. This song was written in 1936 by Don Nolan. He did a recording of it. And did you know that there was a Western Writers of America Association? I did not know that. Well, anyway, they voted this as the #3 Western song in America. How cool is that? I grew up with it. Marty Robbins and Burl Ives doing their versions of it, but lots of people have done versions of it. Tom Jones, Mr. Sexy himself. And let's see. Oh, Bonanza. Lauren Green, the actor in Bonanza, he did an album that included this song, and Fleetwood Mac has it on their Mirage album. It's a secret song. The last song listed on the album is Wish You're Here, and then if you played all the way to the end, they did this song too. Cool, Clear Water. So let's do it. All right, settle up. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Without the taste of water, cool water. Oh, Dad and I, with throats wide
I hope that helps you with your ukulele journey. Please let me know in the comments down below.